Hey there. So first off, I would like to welcome you to Best Choice Realty and our state accredited school, Umbrella Learning. My name's Leah West. I'm the office manager for our Tacoma location, and I'm also the inbound lead program coordinator for all the leads that come into Best Choice Realty. For example, walk-ins, internet leads, sign calls, etc. And in this video today, I'll be showing you how to log in and set up your email and text notifications for your Real Geeks account. Real Geeks is a CRM or client relations manager that's provided complimentary to all of our Best Choice agents. It's not as robust as those first class CRMs like Top Producer, Market Leader, Wise Agent, but it is a good place to start and it does get the job done. I use Real Geeks every day to manage and monitor the leads that come into the company. So if you ever have any questions about how to utilize the system, please feel free to reach out to me via email at Leah, that's Leah, at bestchoicerealtywa.com, or you can also call the Tacoma office line at 253-292-6798. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first things I'm going to do is share my screen with you. Okay, so you're gonna want to go to leads.realgeeks.com, and it'll take you to this home screen here where you can log in. So I'm going to go ahead and put my login information here. Excuse me. All right, you'll get a notification that you've successfully been logged in. Now my desktop is going to look a little bit different than yours. You're not going to have the same tabs at the top. But the one I'm going to use right now is to show you how we add users to the Real Geeks account. So if you have already done this step, feel free to just skip ahead. But if you haven't, then you're going to want to know how we add you to our Real Geeks account. So most of you have probably already filled out this form. It's the agent branding form that came in your onboarding packet. And so if you filled this out, then Eric would have already created your landing page for you. He would have transferred your domain name over and also emailed you your login information for your Real Geeks account. If not, this is how we take care of that. So I click on users at the top, and then I click on add new user. And I'm going to use just an example here for this tutorial. Okay. First name, Umbrella. Last name, Learning. Role is going to be agent. It'll show me the automated password that it's going to send. And then I click add user. So that is how we would add you to become, so that you can use the CRM and it becomes accessible for you. We add you as a user. We go in here and we set up the notifications on your account. And so at this point, after I add you as a user and you give me all of your information, you're going to get an email from Real Geeks. So this is, I'm logged into the Umbrella Learning email account right now. And then you're going to get this email from Real Geeks that says, hello, so-and-so, an administrator of the website, choicehomesforsale.com has added you to the lead manager. And then it also shows you your email information and then your password to log in. And that's how you would log into the Real Geeks account. So now I'm going to go back and show you how we set up your email and your text notifications. So if you see here, it already says your notification email address. And so that would be the email that we have defaulted for your sign up. So typically speaking, it would already be in here. But if you would like it to be redirected to another email, then you can go ahead and type that in at that time, or we could type that in there for you at the time. And also to get text emails, you're going to want to click here so that way you can find out what your text email address is. So let's scroll down to Verizon. That's a popular brand. So Verizon is right here. It's going to tell you to type in your phone number at vtext.com. That's how you would receive text notifications on your cell phone. So at that point, I'd go back here and I'll type in my generic phone number. I'll just type in the office line. So it's going to be 253-292-6798 at vtext.com. So once that's in there, and again, this gives you all the cell phone providers here, and we just use Verizon. So you can see here it says type in the number at vtext.com to receive SMS messages or notifications on your phone when a lead comes in. So I've typed that in there as an example. And obviously that's not going to work because it's not a cell phone number that's provided there. And then I scroll down to the permissions. The permissions here, this is to enable your account. So of course we want that to happen. And then on your end, you'll have access to the CRM system where you can load leads into the system. You can mass import if you like. You can add them individually. We want you to be able to receive notifications. Also to export your leads if you need to. And also the lead source if you need. This here is the round robin section. So if you would like to be a part of our inbound lead program, all you would have to do is make application with me. At that point, I would review your application with Rochelle and we will approve it. At that point, you would be added into the lead rotation. So any leads that come in from the company, they'll be on this round robin system and be distributed to our best choice agents. And I'm in charge of following up with you and checking in to see how things are going with the status of that lead. So that's it. That is how you log in. That's also how I create a Real Geeks account for you, and also how I set up your email and text notifications. If you have any additional questions or would like to set up a personal one-on-one tutorial for me to help you with your Real Geeks account a little bit more, just feel free to contact me at the information that I gave you earlier in this video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time.